So let's start with the basics of Flutter. So let me explain what is Flutter. So Flutter is nothing but it's a Google UI toolkit for building an application. So application in the sense you can build a multiple application, cross-platform. So you can create a mobile application, desktop application, web application, embedded device with a single code base. So here we are going to use the programming language called Dot. In case if you don't know what is Dot, that is not at all a problem. So I'm going to teach you very simple manner. Okay. So Flutter is created by Google. So this is the official website of the Flutter. So if you want to see the showcase, you can click it so that you can understand who is using the Flutter and what type of application you can build with the Flutter. So next, these are my top 5 reasons to select the Flutter. In case if you are just starting off, Flutter is very easy to learn. So you don't need any prior programming experience. You can simply start the Flutter from scratch. So it is very easy to learn. And when you are comparing with the other framework, it is very quick to develop. And if you are thinking about the business perspective, so you can build a multiple application with a single code base, which is very cost effective. Even though if you are a developer, it has a benefits to you because you can easily develop application for Android and iOS with a single code base. So then it has a feature called the hot reload. The hot reload is nothing but when you are making changes, the change will immediately reflect your application. So during the development, it saves a very huge time. So when we are developing our application, you can clearly understand what is hot reload. Also, it's trending and many companies are started adapting the Flutter. So if companies are started adapting the Flutter means you have a more job opportunities. Also, you have a more freelancing opportunities. And if you go to the Google Trends and you can compare the chart. So this chart I have compared it. So I have compared with Flutter, React Native and Ionic framework. So you can see the Flutter is trending worldwide for the last 12 months. So you can easily select the Flutter and you can easily land your first job with the Flutter. So next is the community support. In case if you are facing any issue, we must need a community. So you can post the queries there and people are ready to solve your queries. So we have a large community support for Flutter. So these are my top 5 reasons to select the Flutter. So I don't want to compare Flutter with other framework. You are already ready to learn the Flutter, right? So why you want to compare with other framework? So to learn the Flutter, first we need to do the installation, right? So I'm going to the Flutter documentation. So click getting started. So here you have to select your platform. So in case if you are using a Windows, click Windows and here you have to follow the steps. So I have made a separate video for how to install the Flutter on Windows and how to install the Flutter on a Mac. So I will attach the video here.